Good morning students and welcome to your SST class. This is your SST class and today's date is 29 December 2020. According to your UT syllabus, this is the last chapter students. So everyone open your book, your SST book and open page number 104. Okay students, this chapter is last chapter according to your syllabus. Chapter 17, Agriculture. Agriculture. Agriculture means farming, and in this chapter we will discuss about in our country which type of crops are grown now. Okay, so I hope all of you read this chapter 2 times because yesterday I was give homework. I was given now the homework. All of you read now 2 times this chapter. Hope all of you read now this chapter 2 times. First your reading time. So all of you read now this chapter for 10 minutes. After that, reading time 104 to last page is this is 107. Okay, hope all of you read now this chapter very carefully. Okay, what is the meaning of agriculture? Agriculture is the farming, and in our country, our country is the second most populated country. First country is China. Most populated country is which one is China? Then second word is our country. And in our country 70% people's occupation is farming. 70% people's occupation is agriculture. Okay students, agriculture, and Indian farmers grow different types of crops like that wheat, rice, sugarcane, jute, coffee, different types of crops. Okay, farming. What is the meaning of farming? Farming is agriculture. Agriculture. What is the meaning of this word? Agriculture means it is the art or science to cultivation of plants and livestock. Okay. Okay student. It means agriculture is the process where we grow now different types of crops. Okay. And to rear some domestic animal that are used in agriculture. Livestock means the animals we are rearing used for some domestic purpose in agriculture like that cow, buffalo, these animals we are rearing now. Okay. Then this point is clear now. It means it is the art or agriculture. It here I mention now. It is the science or art to cultivation of plants and livestock. This word. What is the meaning? Plants word is clear now. To grow cultivation, it means to grow many types of crops like that wheat, rice, jute. It means cultivation of plant to grow different types of crops like that wheat, rice, jute, sugar cane, etc. And what is the meaning of this word livestock? Livestock means the animal we are rearing in our domestic uses, and that animal are used in our farming like that cow, buffalo, etc. These animals are used now, ox. Okay. Hope all of you understand now what is the meaning of agriculture. In our country, 70% people's main occupation is agriculture, because in our country is a village. In our country, mostly population is lived in a village. That's why their occupation is farming, their occupation is agriculture. In our country, there are different types of crops are grown now, and some crops are like that. Which type of crops are grown now? Like that, some crops like that, wheat, rice, and some cash crops are grown now. And we have to agriculture, agriculture seasonal crops. According to this agriculture seasonals, we have two agriculture seasons, and divided mainly two types of crops. First is kharif crop and second is rabi crop. And one is also is in your book, there is third point is not given here, and that is jaid crop. Okay, but in your book only two is mentioned now, kharif crops and rabi crops. According to seasons, we have two agriculture seasons crop. First is kharif season. First point is the kharif season. According to season, we are divided now. Okay, kharif season, which crops are grown in this kharif season, and second one is the rabi season. These are the name of rabi season. First is the kharif season. In kharif season, this season begins with the arrival of monsoon. This season, arrival of monsoon, and the main kharif crops are, mostly crops are like that, rice, millets, maize, cotton, jute. These crops are grown in the kharif season, and this season is start mainly arrival of monsoon season. And the rabi season is begins when it begins when the rainy season ends. It means the winter season is comes now. That time these crops are starting now, and in this season the farmers grow like that wheat, gram, mustard, sugarcane, barley. These types of crops they grow now in their field. Okay, understand students? First is in kharif season, which type of, mainly like that, when this season is start now, and its season is start now, arrival of monsoon. Here I mention now arrival of monsoon season. Monsoon. Okay, examples from this like that, rice. First is the millets. Okay, millets, cotton and jute. Cotton, because these crops, cotton, jute also etc. These crops, because these crops need too much water. Okay, in kharif season. And in rabi season, when it is start now, rabi season is begins when the rain ends. When the rain ends. When the rain ends. Okay, and some examples of these seasons are like that. Wheat, sorry for that. Wheat, gram, sugarcane, etc. Okay, and third I told you, I tell you, third season that is jaid season. And jaid season, according the crops are mainly protein, like that, arhar, masoor, this type of dals. Okay, in jaid season, moong, masoor. Okay students, mainly the agriculture is based on, according to season in our country, to kharif crops and rabi crops. Here you mentioned now kharif crops also and rabi crops also. Okay, then come to the different crops in our country. First is, according to book, is first is rice. Rice is a staple food. Look at here, everyone, and it is a paddy crops. What is the meaning of paddy crops? Paddy crops means this crop need too much water. This crop need too much water, and right is called paddy crop. And rice plants grow in wet and soft soil. Wet and soft soil, and rice is mainly produced in our country like that. The states are here: Bengal, Assam, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and coastal plains. Okay, and now presently rice grown in Punjab and Haryana is also producing rice in large quantities. Okay, I hope all of you understand now, and why rice is called paddy field. Paddy, it means too much need water. Okay, then move to the next crop, that is wheat. Wheat is a staple food, and in northern part of our country and northern west country. Northern part, your state UP is northern part. North India, northwestern India, yes, in your state is also, and it is winter crop. And it is winter crop, it means it is a rabi crop, and it grow in our country Punjab, Haryana, and parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, students, then move to the next point, that is millets. Millets like that, jowar, bajra, ragi are the main crops, and these are grown in our peninsular part of our country. Okay, and these crops are grown in all states having low rainfall, and the soil fertility is poor. That part of our country, millets are grown now easily. Okay, then pulses. All pulses like that, or pulses, it means all dals. Pulses, and it is too rich in protein. Pulses like that, gram, od, moong, arhar, masoor, these are produced in almost every part of our country. Okay, oil seeds. Oil seeds is used for oil in cooking, and we get oil from groundnut, coconut, mustard oil, and linseed. And mustard is grown in the wheat producing area. Wheat producing area, it means mustard is mainly grown in the Punjab, Haryana. That's why in Punjab state, the people favorite food is makke di roti and sarso da saag. In Hindi, you can say now mustard is sarso. Yes, na? Yes. And groundnut is mostly grown in the South India, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. After that, this is the picture of sugar canes. And in our country, India is a leading producer of the sugar cane in the world. Underline this line, all of you. India is the leading producer of sugar cane in the world, and it is using to production of sugar and good. In winter season, all of you eat now good very well, because that is very healthy for you comparison to sugar. And sugar cane we grow in which state? Like that, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Punjab, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, this is the picture of sugar cane. Then cotton crops. India is among the leading of production of cotton in the world. This is the field of cotton crops. Look at here, everyone. This is the field of cotton crops. Everyone look at here, and mostly cotton is grown in black soil, and it is grown in which areas? That is Malwa Plateau, Gujarat, and Maharashtra, because in that area the soil is in that area there is black soil is found. That's why in that states mainly the cotton fields are found it. Okay, look at here, this is the picture of cotton crops. After that, the jute is also called, underline this word in your book, Jute is also called golden fiber of India, and it's cultivated mainly in the Bengal, West Bengal and Assam, Odisha, and it is used making for gunny bags, some carpets also. Okay, and this time, and we should use jute bags because polythene is not good for our environment. They are polluted now, and this is eco-friendly eco-friendly and it is good for our environment. That's why we use now this type of jute bags. Okay, then tea and coffee. Tea and coffee is a plantation crop. Plantation crops, what is the meaning of this word plantation? Plantation means it is a cultivation of crops in a large scale. Okay student, and like that tea, coffee. Okay, this is the example of plantation crop. It is the producer of tea gardens of Assam and Darjeeling in Bengal and Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Okay, then move to the next part of this. And spices is also the example of plantation crops. Look at here this picture in your book. This is the coffee beans. Coffee beans. Okay, spices. Spices, Kerala in our country. Kerala is the spices producer in our country. India is known for its spices like black pepper, cardamom, cloves, chilies, ginger, etc. And which state these are grown now? Spices in Kerala and Karnataka are the main producer of spices in our country. Okay, then after that, what is the meaning of green revolution? Look at here. Here all of you read now this map very carefully. Look at here. Here is the different colors of the crops. Look at here. This is a rice crop, wheat crops, wheat and rice crops, millets, sugarcane and coconut. And in this map, look at here. Everyone, different colors of the states that are grown, the different types of crops. So everyone read this map carefully. Okay, then what is the meaning of green revolution? Revolution means the big production of the product, increased the production of the crops. Okay, green revolution, it means in our country last 15 years in our country has made a great progress the production of the crops. And this success in agriculture is called green revolution. Okay, green revolution. And in this revolution, the different our government start different plants are started now. They increase the uses of fertilizers, manures, insecticide and pesticide. What is the meaning of pesticide? Pesticide means it is the medicine which are used to crops to protect the plants with insects. Okay, okay, pesticides, and they save their crops from different types of insecticides. And they produce they improve the quality of their crops to better quality of seeds. They are using now better quality of seeds in their fields. And they use different types of tools and implements. They use now thresher, tractors and hybrid seeds used now in their fields. After that, in their fields the farmers grow too much crop, good quality of it, means the production is increasing now in their fields. In green revolution, they using now their facilities now, and they use now tractors, good quality of sheets, harvesters are using now. Okay, and look at here students in your book, everyone look at here. Here is the different pictures. Here is the farmer using harvester. It is a different type of machine that are using now in fields. Okay, here is the ancient time the farmers using now bulls to plugging the fields. Okay, here technology is advanced. The farmers using now harvester. Here the farmer using now to plugging the tractor. Okay, it means more and more facilities are time to time our science is developed now, and different types of tools are developed now, and that are useful for farmers to grow the different types of crops in large quantity. Understand, student? Okay, very good. More agriculture institute and our government start many different agriculture institutes are open now, and in their institutions the scientists guide for farmers ki how which type of seeds they are used now to good production. Okay, which type of method they are using now to gain profit. Okay, and which type of fertilizers they are using now to large number of quantity of production. Okay, here is in your picture, look at here everyone, this picture all of you know the cattle waste. Bullock carts are used for means of transportation in village area, but at the present time the people are using tractors, harvesters, and some modern means of transport they are using now. Okay, and cattle waste is used for as manure, and it is also used to produce biogas, and our government is making different types of program, and they improve the breed of cattle, and effort are being made to give their diets and medical treatments, and that is good for our farming, and that's why the farmers good crops. Okay, then next topic, and this is the last topic in from your book, that is livestock. I tell you, livestock means the domestic animals that are the farmers rearing, and they are using there in agriculture. Okay, and some animals like that, cows, buffalo, goat, camel, they give us milk. That's why these animals called milch animal, and we get from these animals like that cheese, butter, ghee and wool from these animals. And the meat of the some animals is used as a food, and these cattle are used in farming in many ways. Bulls are used to plugging their fields in ancient time. Just I told you this paragraph. Here is the picture of the man is using bulls in the field for plugging the field. Yes or no? Yes, sir? Okay, good. And the cow dung is used to producing biogas, and for manures in their fields. Okay, and our government started Operation Flood. What is the meaning of Operation Flood? Operation Flood means the production of milk is increased in our
milk
country.
production
Okay, and
and their products.
it is the
Operation
movement
Flood
is
is
white
one of the
revolution,
world's
and white
largest
revolution
rural
it means
development program, which
in
was
white
launched
revolution,
in
which give important
1970.
to increase in the milk production. It means to increase the milk production, and white revolution increase the